Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Italian with Bukola. In today's lesson, we will be learning the days of the week in Italian language. In Italy, we'll call the days of the week I giorni della settimana. Day is giorno. Days is giorni, which is the plural of giorno. In Italy, the days of the week doesn't begin with a capital letter like in the English language. In Italy, the first day of the week is lunedì. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. Let's repeat the days of the week again. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. The final part of the word di also means in Italian language day. For example, buondì. Buondì means good morning, which is also buongiorno in Italian. The letter I has a grave accent. Lunedì. So any word with any letter with the accent has to be pronounced in a certain way. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì. So, in the Italian language, how do you say yesterday? Yesterday is ieri. Oggi is today. Domani is tomorrow. Dopodomani is the day after tomorrow. So let's repeat that again. Ieri, oggi, domani, dopodomani. So now let's look at some examples. If someone says, che giorno è oggi? What day is it today? You reply, oggi è lunedì. Che giorno era ieri? Ieri era domenica. Okay? So now let's repeat the days of the week together in Italian. I giorni della settimana. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. Now I want you to pause the video and repeat the days of the week again. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I will see you in our next lesson. Ciao, grazie e arrivederci.